Okay, this called sambal that I can make the tomatoes, chili, garlic, onion, and shrimp paste. Of course, with the salt and little bit sugar. And now I'm gonna go to the blender and ready for the chili paste. So it's done. So here we go. Chili is done, and we're gonna to make the spring rolls. And here I already have the chicken, tahu, chicken stock, garlic and ginger, and salt, pepper, oyster sauce, and here is the vegetable that is have a tauge, chili, daun bawang, this leg, and this is cabbage, and I also add the bihun and soya sauce. So the first we're gonna do the ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic already dry, and then we're gonna put the chicken and the tahu. We put the chicken stock. We put all the vegetable, bihun, the white noodle. It's already soaked with the water. So now we put the salt, pepper, and the light sauce, oyster sauce. I use vegetarian stir fry sauce, oyster sauce. Oh, there's a mushroom, and we stir it. Stir it for a few seconds, and then off the fire. And leave it here so that it's not cooked anymore. Guys, now we're gonna to put the all here. Some water to make a glue. So the oil already hot, but it's not super hot, so we put it here. So it's a nice brown, crispy. So we put it on the tissue paper, kitchen paper. So I'm gonna open it for you and see the inside. Okay, this one. It's so hot. So guys, like this, guys. So beautiful. The chili that I make today. Yeah. So, super. Okay, guys. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.